A lot of folks have been asking about the Silver CNC tool setter that I have on my Haas. It's pretty economical, but the big question is like how accurately it repeats. So I wrote a quick program on the Haas that uses a while loop that goes through 10 touches, writes each of the tool links into a 500 series macro variable so we can see over the course of 10 touches or whatever you want the while loop to be, how accurate it actually is over those touches. Here's the program. It's pretty simple. I'm just using two variables to start for our counter and then starting which macro variable to reset and then saying while my counter variable is less than 10, I'm going to touch off the tool, write the variable of the tool length into that 500 series macro variable, index them both, and then keep going. So to get to see those macro variables and see what we're doing, we're going to start here, and we're going to hit current commands. It's going to bring us to this page. And now if we press page down, we're going to see macro variables local. We want to go to the 500, so we're going to hit the over button, and we're going to keep going over till we get to our 500 series. And you can see they're all zeros right now. Well, let's see what happens, yeah? Okay, I'm going to run through this all in this shot, just so you can see all the values are zero right now. The machine's here, and that way you can show that there's no tricky business going on. It's actually writing it to the control. So on my machine, which is a Haas DT1 from 2010, which is really coarse ball screws, fast rapids, all that jazz, it looks like I'm getting about plus or minus 1 micron of variability, because this is in metric. Plus or minus 1 micron is pretty good, and honestly, that's better than the machine will hold. Being a coarse ball screw, fast machine from Haas, I'm not expecting micron accuracy. So I've been nothing but impressed in practice with the tool setter for about the last year and a half since I've gotten it, but now I have sort of a bit of data to back up that it is in fact very accurate.